Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to be talking a bit about doll cakes and, well, Lucille Ball. As always, in the descriptive box below, there's links to various websites if you need more information, including one that will take you out to Amazon.com that has the book for sale with this story called Living, and all the other books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets series. When I was a kid, my mom made doll cakes for little girls' first communions. A doll cake, if you're not familiar, is a cake baked in a bowl. Once baked, the bowl is flipped over to remove the cake, and the cake part becomes the skirt to a Barbie doll that is then placed in the middle. My mother would then decorate the Barbie in her pastry skirt to be a fetching mini bride that little girls adored on their special day. Well, I grew up and I forgot all about doll cakes until I had my own daughter and wanted to make doll cakes for her. However, I didn't possess my mother's cake decorating skills, so I had to use chocolate icing, and my doll cakes became ugly witch cakes, a Halloween favorite for many years. Like with me, my daughter outgrew her interest in doll cakes, and I didn't give them another thought until I was living here in Mexico. Along came my first Thanksgiving here, and I wanted to do something silly yet nice for my Spanish teacher, and I came up with the idea of a Lucy Ricardo doll cake. I searched the city for a red-headed Barbie and found a bakery that was willing to try and make me said cake. Luckily, the owner's brother is my barber, and he styled Barbie's coif into an exact replica of how Lucy wore her hair to go with the dress. A fellow student and Canadian pal came with me to pick up and then deliver the cake. Upon viewing the masterpiece, the Canadian explained, "Who is that?" So I explained I love Lucy and Lucille Ball, and the Canadian stated, "No one will know who she is." I retorted that our teacher would. Plus, Americans know Lucille Ball is one of the most influential women of the last century, and that this is the type of dress that represents her. He scoffed, saying, "Only you think that dress means Lucy to anyone but you." So upon leaving the bakery, a foreign man across the street shouts out, "Hey, hey, is that Mrs. Arnaz?" And I replied, "Hey, hey, she's working here and prefers to be called Miss Ball." In a brief 10-minute walk, we had no fewer than 6 foreigners stop us to take their picture with the cake version of Lucille Ball / Ricardo / Arnaz. As always, feel free to click subscribe now and you'll get automatic notifications of new videos as they're released here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets.